Welcome students. We are going to study about physics for 11th standard. Nothing happens until something moves. Education is not the learning of facts but the training of the mind to think, told by Albert Einstein. Content. The first unit deals with nature of physical world and measurement. The second unit deals with kinematics, and third unit deals with laws of motion, and fourth unit deals with work, energy and power, and fifth unit deals with motion of system of particles and rigid bodies. Now we are going to study about physical world and measurement. Unit 1. Learning objectives. Excitement generated by the discoveries in physics. இயற்பியலின் கண்டுபிடிப்புகளை வியப்படைய வைக்கக்கூடியவை எவை? An understanding of physics quantities of importance. இயற்பியல் அளவுகளின் முக்கியத்துவத்தை பற்றி அறிதல். Different system of units. பல்வேறு அளவீடு முறைகளை பற்றி பயிலுதல். An understanding of errors and corrections in physics measurements. இயற்பியல் அளவீடுகளில் ஏற்படும் பிழைகள் மற்றும் அவற்றின் திருத்தம் செய்தல். Usage of dimensions to check the homogeneity of physical quantities. பரிமாணங்களை பயன்படுத்தி இயற்பியல் அளவுகளின் ஒருபடித்தான தன்மையை பற்றி சோதித்தல். What is science? The systematic study of the nature and behavior based on observation, experiment and measurement and the formulation of laws. The knowledge so obtained or the practice of obtaining it. Dealing with non-living things, physics and chemistry. Dealing with living things, botany and zoology. The word science was coined only in the 19th century. One of the oldest forerunners of scientific advancements from astronomy to medicine were the Egyptians. Ancient civilization knew and practiced astronomy, chemistry, human psychology, scientific method. The scientific method is a step-by-step approach in studying natural phenomena and establishing laws which govern these phenomena. Any scientific method involves the following general features: systematic observation, controlled experimentation, qualitative and quantitative reasoning, mathematical modeling, prediction and verification or falsification of theories. அது என்னன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து சிஸ்டமேட்டிக் அப்சர்வேஷன், முறைப்படுத்தப்பட்ட உற்றுநோக்கல். ரெண்டாவது என்னென்னா கண்ட்ரோல்டு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்டேஷன், கட்டுப்படுத்தப்பட்ட பரிசோதனை. குவாலிட்டேட்டிவ் அண்ட் குவான்டிடேட்டிவ் ரீசனிங் அப்படின்னா தரமான மற்றும் அளந்தறியும் பகுப்பாய்வு. மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் மாடலிங் அப்படிங்கிறது கணிதவியல் மாதிரிகள். ப்ரிடிக்ஷன் அண்ட் வெரிஃபிகேஷன் ஆர் ஃபால்சிஃபிகேஷன் ஆஃப் தியரிஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னென்னா கணித்தல் மற்றும் சரிபார்த்தல் அல்லது தவறான கோட்பாடுகளை அறிவியல் முறை மூலம் கண்டறிந்து தவிர்த்தல். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், consider a metallic rod being heated. When one end of the rod is heated, heat is felt at the other end. The following questions can be asked on this observation. A. What happens within the rod when it is heated? B. How does the heat reaches the other end? Is this effect true for all materials? If heat flows through the material, is it possible to visualize heat? The process of finding the answer to these queries is scientific investigation. What is physics? The word physics is derived from the Greek word physis, meaning nature. The study of nature and natural phenomena is dealt within physics. Hence, physics is considered as the more basic of all sciences. Everything in nature obeys the laws of physics. Everything we built also obeys the laws of physics. Physics introduction. There are two approaches in studying physics. One is unification, another one is reductionism. What is unification? Attempting to explain diverse physical phenomena with a few concepts and laws is unification. For example, Newton's universal law of gravitation. What is reductionism? And attempting to explain a macroscopic system in terms of its microscopic constituents is reductionism. For example, thermodynamics. Branches of physics. There are two branches: classical physics, modern physics. In classical physics, classical mechanics, thermodynamics, optics, electricity and magnetism, acoustics, astrophysics, and relativity. In modern physics, deals with quantum mechanics, atomic physics, nuclear physics, condensed matter physics, high energy physics. So, branches of physics. Classical physics refer to traditional physics that was organized and developed before the beginning of the 20th century. In modern physics, refers to the concepts in physics that have surfaced since the beginning of the 20th century. Branch and major focus for classical physics. Classical mechanics, the study of force acting on bodies whether at rest or in motion. Thermodynamics, the study of the relationship between heat and other forms of energy. Optics, the study of light. Electricity and magnetism, the study of electricity and magnetism and their mutual relationship. Acoustics, the study of the production and propagation of sound waves. Astrophysics, the branch of physics which deals with the study of the physics of astronomical bodies. Relativity, one of the branches of theoretical physics which deals with the relationship between space, time and energy, particularly with respect to objects moving in different ways. Modern physics. Quantum mechanics, the study of the discrete nature of phenomena at the atomic and subatomic levels. Atomic physics, the branch of physics which deals with the structure and properties of the atom. Nuclear physics, the branch of physics which deals with the structure, properties and reactions of the nuclei of atoms. Condensed matter physics, the study of the properties of condensed materials such as solids, liquids and other intermediate between them and dense gas. It branches into various subdivisions including developing fields such as nanoscience, photonics, etc. High energy physics, the study of the nature of the particles.